So with any painting project, one of the most difficult things in the process can be selecting a color. There are just so many different colors to choose from, and a lot of customers can, oh shoot.
Go on. Yeah, that's good.
Hold on. A lot of customers can find themselves just lost in the number of colors and possibilities that there are.
Oh, you got that right.
Here at Color World, we try to take that difficulty out of the equation by offering all of our customers a completely complimentary color consultation through Sherwin-Williams. During COVID, they were doing it virtually, and still currently doing it virtually, but once restrictions lift up, it'll be an on-site consultation where you will meet with a professional color consultant to walk your property, and they'll get a feel for your architecture, your landscaping, your interior decorations, and just your personal color preference. And they're able to just come up with great colors. They're able to come up with great color schemes, complementary colors, and just are a great resource for bouncing ideas off of.
Okay, so it's teamwork. So we want to please our landlords and make the property really snap and pop. That keeps the rents up, and that keeps our tenants happy. They're proud to bring guests or family members to their rental unit, and that's what we love. So we're going to be looking more about colors and painting. This is CJ, Property Manager. Stay tuned. We'll be back. Thank you. And that's with Justin.